Hi, in this video I'd like to show you my engineering thesis application, which is about creating different groups of examination tests in a printable form. And to do that I have written some code in Python programming language. All methods are written in Python, which are methods to collect data from the text files and to generate different sequences of tests based on Python random number generator, built-in generator. What is more, I used few Python modules. First of it is Flask web framework to provide graphic user interface, and the second one is Report Lab, which provides a possibility to create a PDF printable file. To show my example, I also created text file with questions and answers. As you can see, every question is marked with a number of the question, so it's easy to say if questions taken from all possible questions are different and how they are, what is the length of them. And in the question file there is always the first question is a correct one, and the other questions are marked with a number of, and the other answers are marked with number for which question they belong to. So for first question there is number 1 next to each other answer than the correct one. To run my example, we have to run command line, then go to the place where the source code of my application is stored, and then run my application using Python 3 interpreter. As we can see, the server is running on the local host, port number 5000. So now we go to the web browser, and on given address we have a prompt, give a full path to the text file with questions, and this path is this one, C users, desktop, test of my life. Then we have to give the full path to our answers. Now we can see that the questions from the text file are written in the web page, so we can see if the correct file was taken into account. And we have to specify how many questions would we like to have in our test. So let's say our test consists of 4 questions. And now we have to specify how many different groups we want to create. So let's say we need 10 different groups. And at last we have to specify the path where our output PDF file will be stored. So let's check if there is anything on our desktop like this. The name of the file will be after the name of question text file, so it was test of my life, and there is no such file here, so we'll use desktop as our path. And we get a prompt that we managed to create some groups at user desktop. So let's see how does it look like. As you can see, there is a new file, test of my life, created on the desktop. There is a first page with the correct answers. So for test 1, for question 1, the correct answer is the third one. The correct answer for second question is the first one. The correct answer for third question is the fourth one. And the correct answer for fourth question is the third one. And so on for every other test. We can copy it actually. To see if it was true. And here are our tests. So this is name of the test and the test group number, which is the first one. And we can see that we have 4 different questions taken from all possible questions. So we have question 6, question 5, question 7, and question 4. And for all of these questions, the correct answer is in one of the places, and the rest answers are from this specified questions, because C6 answer is from question 6 answer list, the same as D6 and B6. So now what we have to do is to check if our question answer sheet is correct. So for the first question, the third answer is the correct one. So as we mentioned before, yes was the correct answer for each question. And for the second is the first one. For the third question is the fourth answer. And for the fourth question is the third answer. So it was correct, and we can see that our second test works in the same way, like we have 4 different questions and answers to them, and so on and so on. We can see that the questions taken to each test are taken separately. So for the test number 9, we have question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the test number 10, we have questions number 1, 2, 6, and 7. So they differ. And that is pretty all. Thank you for watching.